Hey guys, it's trimmer time. Thank you guys for tuning in, and to all my new viewers, welcome to my channel. Today, if you want to see how I completed this beautiful blue cut crease on my hooded eyes, then stay tuned. So firstly, I go ahead and do my brows. To eliminate any oils on my brows, I go ahead and set with the Sacha Buttercup setting powder, and then go ahead with my LA Gold gel liner. Is it gel? Yes, gel liner to outline my brows. I do have a very much detailed brow tutorial on my channel. I'm going to link it in the description box and also have it up in the card so you can click, watch, pause this video, go watch this brow tutorial, and then come back. Trust me, you are going to love it. I guarantee you that. Now you will see me go in with this LA concealer, which is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, to just clean up the bottom of my brows. And next I'll be using my foundation for the top. To prime my lids, I'm going in with this e.l.f. concealer. I also had to go in with this Milani one because my e.l.f. concealer was completely done, guys. I was really skeptical when it came to using it because I really wanted the colors to come through, and I wasn't sure if this concealer would actually help. But it turned out great. In the end, I'm so happy that it came through. I was so happy that I used it. This concealer actually dries down matte. This is why I chose to use it instead. For all these beautiful tones of blue, I used the Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Guys, you will see me go in with this big fluffy brush to place down our first color on the lid. I place this color down by using tapping motions and then go ahead and swipe it across the lid as I go. Since I have to create a wider crease on my eyes, because of my hooded eyes, I usually go a little bit higher with my first shape. That is why I also shaped my brows that way, so there's a better lift and more space for me to apply color. If you have hooded eyes as well, trust me, this will definitely help. Next, you see me going with a darker shade of blue just to deepen up the color a bit more on my crease. You see me go in and tap in that blue. I'll blend it a little bit forwards and also a little bit upward to make sure I get that transition that I like. Some of the clips are actually sped up, but for most of it, I'm actually blending it in real time. So you can see exactly how much blending that I would have to do to achieve this look. Now I'm going back in with that lighter blue just to blend out the edges of the second color. I'm going to blend out this color until I'm satisfied with the transition. Guys, blending is key. It is the key to any beautiful eyeshadow look that you would love to create. Now you will see me switch to a much smaller brush and go in with a black eyeshadow to deepen that dark blue even more. You will see me again touch up with that darker blue and lastly the lighter blue, just to make sure everything is blended seamlessly together, guys. Once we are satisfied, then I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I go ahead by placing a little bit of concealer on my lid and look up just so I could get the outline of my cut crease. I do have a detailed video on how I cut my crease, so I'm going to link that down in the description box as well. Also, I'm going to list every single product that I will be using in this tutorial. You will see me go in from time to time just to correct any little imperfections on the cut crease. If you do decide to recreate this look, guys, please let me know. That is exactly why I've slowed down this video. So if you do decide to recreate, you can at least follow step by step. And if you are still tuned into this video, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you love what you see so far, go ahead and give your girl a like and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going in to use this beautiful blue shade as my lid color. To add some shimmer to this eye look, I'm topping this off with this beautiful blue glitter as well. Now here's a tip and also note to self: if you are using a glitter on your eyes, ensure that you leave some space between your lash line and the glitter area, just to be able to allow your liner to go on smoothly. To give my eyes an extra pop, guys, I went in with this white eyeliner and this beautiful color glitter just to complement the look.
S.koolbeatz on the beat.  。   。
. 。  . . . . . . . . 。 . . . . . . . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . 。 . . 。 . . 。 .
S.koolbeatz on the beat.
Now there we have it, guys. How did I do? As usual, my lovelies, let me know your thoughts about this look in the comment section. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, guys. I would love to hear from you there as well. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also do not forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for tuning in, and see you in the next one.